Welcome to this next video. So until now what we have done, we have attached our data factory to Azure DevOps Git and we have created a new branch. So for our project's requirement, we want to copy data from our on-premise SQL database. So Azure Data Factory uh, on a broad level have three or four working parts, right? It has pipelines. Pipelines are orchestration tools like through which you can link different steps that should happen to complete a workflow, right? Those pipelines have activities inside of them. Those activities uh, can be of different type, right? It can be uh, it can be logical activities, it can be data movement activities, it can be a notebook, Spark script, a Pig script, a Hive script. There are n type of different activities available, right? But for most useful activities are for copy activity and your logical activities like if, for each, for these kind of activities, right? For these activities, let's say if you are working with data that is already on your Azure environment, then that can be processed through auto resolve integration runtime. So integration runtimes are compute resources, which means the data factory by itself is not a compute resource. It needs a compute resource through which it can does any computation, be it a data movement or any logical computation that you want to do, right? So auto resolve integration runtime means the data factory, if any data that resides within Azure network and it's in the same virtual network, then that auto resolve integration runtime will be able to handle it. But let's say your data is available in on-premise data, or it's in some kind of virtual network to which your Azure Data Factory does not have any access. Then what you need to do, you need to install your compute resource inside that virtual network or inside that on-premise network, so your Azure Data Factory can connect to that and process data or from there, right? So that's the basic concept of integration runtimes. Hope you have understood it. In the next video, I'll show you how to create your self-hosted integration runtimes. Thank you.